All right, number 9. 6 times 2/3. Well, we're multiplying fractions. One of those fractions, 6, is a whole number. I have to write it as a fraction, 6 over 1. So I now have 6 over 1 times 2 over 3. Well, we could multiply straight across, or we can cross simplify. If I multiply straight across, 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Or I could have cross simplified, where I said 6 and 3 in a sled. If I put 6 and 3 both in a sled, I can pull out a factor of 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so the 6 becomes a 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so the 3 becomes a 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 over 1 is 4. Get the same answer either way. So 6 times 2/3 gives me 4.